Hey guys, Richard here. So in this review I want to talk to you about Cash Magnets. Now Cash Magnets by Brendan Mace, and it has been out for quite a while actually, but I thought I'd do a review on this because it is number 3 in the Warrior Plus charts, so Brendan must be promoting this currently, and I wanted to give you kind of a look around this to show you exactly what you're going to get if you decide to purchase. Now guys, basically this is a series of strategies that they put together to show you how you can make money online, and I'm going to show you inside each one of these strategies and kind of give you my view on what the quality of this actual training is and how useful it's going to be for you, especially if you're a beginner, which really this is focused on. So apparently you can set up one time only. It's 100% passive income, no techie stuff or softwares. Let's talk about that when we get to it. Beginner friendly, 20 minutes or less. Again, let's talk about that. And you get fast results. Now the front end of this is retailing at $13 and you get a 30-day money back guarantee. And I just wanted to pop down to this section here where it talks about this is a brand new way to build daily passive income with simple little cash magnets. Instead of pushing commissions away, this pulls them in. You have never seen anything like cash magnets before, etc, etc. So it's always a one-off. It's a brand new system, and we're going to talk about this in a little bit more detail. So guys, just before we start, my name is Richard Darby. This is School of Nomads. If you haven't been over to this channel before, don't forget to hit that subscribe and notification bell, and I'll let you know whenever I do new videos. And guys, if you're looking to start a business online, go ahead and check out the link in the description below over to the School of Nomads, and we'll take you through the whole process completely for free, step by step. So guys, let's jump straight into this. Now Cash Magnets is a training course mainly by Brendan Mace, who is one of the top sellers of Warrior Plus, and he's also partnered up here by Jono. Now Jono Armstrong, again, they used to partner up quite a lot a few years back, and they had quite a few product releases. They don't tend to do that these days. They're concentrating on other things, but what you have here is basically a set of strategies. Now when you first come over here, you go to this welcome section and you have an what to expect video, and basically they want you to kind of link on Messenger with Brendan. So he's got a video here giving away a free product, which is another Jono and Brendan product called the Fugo Multiplier, and they want you to go ahead and link with him on Messenger. Now he said once you'd link, you get this opt-in message. That's no longer running, which is kind of a theme here. I think a lot of this product is old, and quite frankly a lot of the links that they originally had here are completely missing now. Now this is being sold today, so that shouldn't really be the case. This should be all live, but it isn't. So if I just go back, one annoying thing is whenever you do click, it goes straight out and doesn't open in a new tab. It kind of covers the original site up, which is kind of annoying. So then you get into the funnel piece. Now one thing you will find with this, all of this training, is it's super high level. Now Brendan obviously understands the concept of all of this. He's done it for a very long time, and his training is kind of very, very high level, especially for a beginner, because you're being told basically to go ahead and set up this landing page or one similar to this. You have no product to actually go ahead and promote. They haven't actually gone into what you're actually promoting to make money here. Again, if I go and grab this bonus for free, I end up back on this page. So that was supposed to be the same concept, and basically you've got no real idea what you're supposed to be doing with this page. So he talks about setting up this funnel, how to go ahead and get a website, but then what you're supposed to do with that next. They don't talk about the type of page builders you can buy and how to actually set up landing pages. You have also a funnel landing page here. Again, he talks about this in a little bit more detail, talks about why he puts his headlines, which is all very interesting. You know, he does understand how to put a landing page together and how to actually do headlines and the why you actually construct headlines in the way that you do. But it's kind of missing about the click for click, how you actually do this. You go to the instant profit connection. He teaches you how to actually link this with your autoresponder, and he says he has a link to Aweber on here, but that's missing as well, and he's promoting Aweber, but he hasn't even got his link here. Also, when you go to the passive income with emails, he also offers up a bunch of his own emails that you can basically use, which is a code, and you will paste that into Aweber and automatically upload all of the emails, and that's missing as well. So there's lots of missing things here for some reason. So basically that's all how to set up the landing page to start with, And again, there's no real click for click here how to set up a landing page. If you are interested in this, I will actually add a video on the right hand side of the screen now that will show you how I set up landing pages, very, very similar to this, using my own page builder. You can go and check that out and it get you started, but you know, this is kind of missing. Something's missing here. Next is reviews. So obviously I do product reviews, and it talks to you about the concept of product reviews, which is kind of okay, obviously, because he does them. But then when he goes to the full promo strategy, he talks about Jono's promo strategy using Commission Gorilla, which is the kind of bonus page you'll see everybody else use it on YouTube, and how he actually sets up his promos and the idea behind the way that he promotes them with email and all of that good stuff. But again, there's nothing there that actually shows you how to go ahead and do that. Now, again, guys, there's a lot to this, and these types of products are just going to give you a feel. So if you want to pay $13 and just get a feel for how you do some of this stuff without actually understanding the nuts and bolts, then go ahead and do that. But you know, the training I've just offered you at the beginning of this call will actually teach you how to do this click for click, and how to set a website up, how to set up landing pages, etc., etc. And it's going to be much more beneficial to you than actually going through this course, to be honest. So this is the kind of review section. You get into blogging, again, very similar. Welcome to the blogging magnet. All about what the concept of blogging is, how to set up your website. It's the same, exactly the same video as up here. You have the how to grow your blog, basically go around other people's blogs and comment, and blogging look and feel, how to use a WordPress theme. Super simple, super high level, and you'll finish that module without really having a clue what to do next, because blogging, setting up the website and doing that kind of nuts and bolts stuff is just the start. The whole strategy around content and how you actually build that content is a completely different story. There's a big strategy around building blogs, guys, which is not included in this training. YouTube as well. Again, he's on YouTube. He's got lots of subscribers on YouTube. He starts the similar thing with the kind of look and feel of a YouTube channel, and really just tells you how to go about and get the channel art off Fiverr, or use Canva. But again, nothing about how to set up a YouTube channel, how to optimize the YouTube channel, how to make those videos, how to make videos rank. All of that good stuff is completely missed. It seems to be very, very high level here. The how to get views on videos. Again, he talks about, you know, cutting things out your video and making natural breaks in the video to increase your watch time. There's much more to it than that. And you know, when we talk about these main headlines that they had at the beginning of this 20 minutes or less, and you know, fast results, when you're talking about any of these strategies, guys, YouTube, I've had a YouTube channel for 1.5 years. It takes a long time to grow that channel. Blogging takes even longer and so much effort to get your content to rank. None of this is quick. Now, it does work, and it is a better way to do it than using push button software to try and build a business online, because that never works. But you've got to be prepared, guys, for this to take a long time to build a business online that's actually sustainable and can make you passive income. So these types of headlines, I know why they put them here, they're trying to appeal for you to buy them, are complete nonsense when you're looking at these types of strategies. So that's the story with the blogging and the YouTube. Then you have a whole portion on AdSense, which again, nothing wrong with this at a very, very high level. That quick website startup video is back again, and nothing wrong with this at a very, very high level. But again, AdSense takes a long time to get going. You have to have thousands and thousands of visitors every single day over to your website to make any kind of decent money. As I've said in previous videos, AdSense in some countries is extremely low, and you need a lot of visitors. But you know, this is a viable way to make money, but just remember, it's a long-term objective. And there's also the traffic training. He then goes and refers to a module in Paytrix, which is a different product. And basically, this entire module focuses on building a landing page, and then right at the end talks about Google Ads. Now, Google Ads are obviously a paid traffic source. It's the only traffic training in this entire product. And Google Ads obviously is a viable traffic source, but if you're a beginner and you start messing about with Google Ads, trust me, it can be very expensive very quickly. You have to optimize them, you have to start off small, and you have to build as you go along. So guys, just be warned, if you're looking at paid traffic, it is a very, very expensive thing to use, especially if you're a beginner. You're better off starting with free, building up your brand, building up your channel, your blog, and then moving over to paid traffic as you go along. So guys, that's the training, and really a lot of it is missing and it looks a little bit tired. It is old now. Obviously it's been re-promoted, but a lot of the links in here are completely missing, and there's a lot of information here that you're going to be completely lost with because you're not going to understand the nuts and bolts of how to do some of these strategies. Let's just talk about the OTOs, guys. The front end's $13. That's the actual course I showed you. The OTO 1's $37, which is done for you magnets. OTO 2 is $197, which is high ticket magnets. OTO 3 is $97, which is advanced secrets. OTO 4 is $197, which is limitless traffic. This is actually where they put their pixel on their sales page. Now, if you don't know anything about retargeting with Facebook pixels and creating a custom audience, that's going to be no good to you anyway. And OTO 5 is $97. That's the license rights for this product. Well, I wouldn't actually buy the license rights for this because this product is now incomplete and kind of old and tired. So that's the actual funnel for this. Now, what I actually went through when I purchased this is they then put you onto the lost code funnel. So they try and sell you the lost code, which is a totally different product, and then give you all of the OTOs for that particular product as if you just bought that one. So the funnel is very strange on here. So I'd be warned, I would actually keep away from this product because I don't think it's going to be a good fit for a beginner, and I don't like the way they've set this funnel up. It's like it's really intended to catch you, to try and get you to buy more and more of these pointless products. So guys, I'm going to give this a 3 out of 10. The reason is really the training is fine. Obviously these guys have made a lot of money online, but there's just a lot missing of it. There's missing links in there, there's missing resources in there, and there's a whole heap of nuts and bolts how to actually click and build your business online that's completely missing from this. So if you wanted to buy this just to get a very high level view of how to carry out affiliate marketing using these various strategies, then fine. But if you want to actually do something you can take action on and do it, then this is not going to be a good fit for you. Now guys, if you do really want to learn how to do this, go ahead and check out the free course. You'll see the link in the description below over to the School of Nomads. We take you through every aspect of building a business with affiliate marketing online, completely step for step. But as far as I'm concerned, this is going to leave you with a lot of questions. So guys, I hope that was useful to you. My name is Richard Darby. This is the School of Nomads. If you haven't been over to the channel before and you're interested in hearing more videos just like this one, go ahead and hit the subscribe and the notification bell, and I'll let you know whenever I release new videos. Until next time guys, take care.